welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today we're making carrots and rice.
What else is in there?
You see
And
there's
what else is in the big pot?
Oh, what's in the big pot is eggs, so right now we are cutting carrots and putting it into the pot. And the carrots are thinking of flinging. So now I'm done cutting the carrots. Now I'm gonna put them in here. Now I'm gonna stir it. Oh, this rice is looking good. I think the rice is ready. So let me grab one of the bowls and serve the rice.
It's not ready yet.
Okay. Let me grab this.
Is that an actual stove?
Yes!
They're gonna tell the audience about it.
I am cooking with an actual stove because my mom got it for me. And I like cooking. And I made my first meal. Does it look appetizing? What do you think of it? Does it look appetizing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's making the rice.
Maybe we should turn off the heat on that side.
Yeah, let me unplug it.
Right there.
Well,
Just gotta press that one. No, the other one. The flame. Again. There.
now we're gonna let it cool down.